Okay, so just to go over a few things about the Ergobot, it's already been paired with the laptop using Bluetooth. So this sends information via Bluetooth, a signal that we cannot hear, but the laptop picks it up and it interprets the data and it does different things for us, like provide graphs and so on. So we have two sets of lights, the blue and the red. This indicates the forward direction and the backwards direction, kind of like a car. So these would be the headlights and those would be the tail lights. I'm going to do a few demonstrations to collect data. I'm going to move it in different ways so that you can use this to analyze and do the lab. So this meter stick is just here to give you a sense of the scale of the motion. Hopefully that was enough different examples for you to kind of answer and interpret the different kinds of motion that's happening here.